It's Saturday morning at 9:30, half hour to launch, and people are showing up, bringing their boats, and we're getting all set to go out on paddle. Water is a little choppy this morning, but it is all doable. It is almost 10 o'clock, and we've got all our paddlers. The last straggle is Ben and Brigida coming up. Weather looks pretty good. Yeah, everybody got their lays. He don't have his laid. Okay, we're getting ready to leave, and the clouds are getting a little bit ugly right now. Waiting for Ben and Brigida. We're crossing under the bridge. I see your line. Everybody's scattered about. Well, I got my trusty GoPro, so we're doing a video here.
Come gather around, my friends. Oh, there you are, guys. Raise up your kayaks. Let us see who you are. That's our family that's here, right? Okay, we have. I hope we didn't leave anybody out. Dennis's memorial.
That's all right. Are you the son?
I'm the son.
Okay, I get you on video. Hi, Brian.
Hi, I appreciate that. Thank you guys for being here.
Yeah, make a little video for Donna or all the club guys out here.
So that's the plan for today.
We didn't have the internet there. And eventually, Dennis and Donna moved to New Hampshire. Wendy and I moved to Ohio, and we kind of lost, contact with each other.
The invitation is still open. Okay, I'm gonna have the honor of wrapping this up. When I was a kid, I'd look for it all day to Dad coming home. I know that he must have come home feeling tired, and yet every single day, for as long as I actually remember the story, but it was one that he would tell often. So we'll just filter that through whether it's true or not. But his version of it is teenage years to going off to college to young adulthood to now. We all know that it's not always pretty, but the commitment of like, this is the person that I want to be here on the. Oh, I'm just gonna splash right. Okay, you're gonna splash from the water. Okay, to Dennis on 3. 1, 2, 3. Cheers. Cheers.
I'm getting pictures of everybody here for Donna. So. Hi.
Hello there.
I'm just getting some video for Donna to see who's all here. I'm just getting video. Donna can see who's here. There's Victor. Yeah, it is nice. Hey, how you doing?
Hey there.
Hi.
Hey.
Yeah, a little video for that. It's a nice lay. Nice lay you got there.
Nice turnout. Nice.
Yeah. How you guys doing? Oh, all right. There you go.
Nice seeing you.
Everybody.
Yeah, nice seeing you.
If I can get your attention at this time, I'm sure everybody's a little hungry. So if you come all this way, on the walkway, and come up behind me for food. $20 will get you in the front of the line, though. Every time. But once again, if you want to come up, please come around here, come behind me, and then you'll be going right over here to the food.
I'm making a little video for you. You can see who's all here.
I really appreciate that. I wish I could get into Google groups.
Are you having trouble with that?
Just when people post up photos.
Oh.
And it's because I don't have an account. I got to set up an account.
I'm going to get everybody at the food tray, Tom. Huh?
How you doing, Jerry?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good.
Everybody found a nice place to eat by the water. Okay, we're getting ready to leave. Party is breaking up. These 2780 paddlers getting ready to depart. Here we are, back where we started from. Everybody loading up their boats. We escaped the rain, we escaped any stiff wind, so it was a safe paddle.